GoHighLevel gurus would have you believe three things. 1. That $297 a month is cheap for a CRM. 2. That there's no real alternative. And 3. That anyone who says otherwise doesn't get it. I know, because I said it out loud on Reddit, and I got swarmed. Not by unhappy customers, by affiliates. Because that's what they don't tell you. GHL pays them 40% of everything you spend, every month, forever. You're not their customer, you are their commission. Meanwhile, agencies are paying $1,000 plus per month, plus another $500 a month just to get decent support for what basically is a reskinned HubSpot. So let me show you the alternative they swore didn't exist. An Agentic CRM with all the features but no subscription. $1,000 plus per month, 20. Watch this. So this is LeadStack.dev. It's an alternative to GHL, HubSpot, Pipedrive, but it has deep agentic capabilities. It also just launched on youneed.best and it's got 100% 5-star reviews. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check those out. So once you've spun up LeadStack, this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I'm going to run through a very quick demo here and show you how quick you can get started using the new agentic capabilities. All right, so all you need to do is click on the agency assistant up in the agency area. And then I've just got this prompt in here. Can you set up a new sub account called Gym Junkie for me? So I'll set that up just to confirm. It wants to know what the time zone is. So I'll say New York. And this is the human in the loop part. So it's going to confirm, yes, create it, done. So now we have our new sub account. I actually want to spin up a new website for this client. I'm just going to ask the agent to create this website. All right, now it's asked for some information. So I'm just going to provide that. So I've said, use this website as a reference for the services of the gym and the general vibe of it. Here's the address, the email, and the phone number. Also added a CTA link, which is just a link back to LeadStack for this demo. Just confirm and I'll submit the build. The website build can take anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes. So we'll come back and take a look when it's finished. While that's running, I'm going to switch over to this sub account and move to the workspace AI, and we will invite the owner of this workspace in, so the gym owner in this demo. So if I go to the sub account, here we are in Gym Junkie. Now I go to the workspace assistant. Can you invite the gym owner as the admin to the sub account? Human in the loop again, and we just confirm, and that's done. And if we want to double check it, if we go down to the settings, we can see here we have a pending invite as admin at Gym Junkie. So everything the AI is doing, you can do manually, but you can do it agentically as well. Now, for all the services that we're providing to the sub account owner, this gym, we may want to bill them, say on a monthly or an annual basis, or even a one-off. So if we go up to the agency assistant, we can just do it here. So I'm just going to start a new chat. So can you help set up the billing for the Gym Junkie sub account? So it says there's already a pro plan there for $179 a month, and it includes all the features, or it can create a new plan. All right, so I've added here, can you create the new plan, which is $89 a month, and it'll include the website builder. And I've also asked it to add in the community and courses, because this gym is going to run a community and it's going to have a course as well. All right, so it checks that there's no plan that exists, this actual structure. It doesn't exist, so it needs a name. I'll call it Gym Junkie. Now, if I go over to the client billing, you can see there's two plans. The Pro one, that's the one it found when I asked it to create a new one, and the Gym Junkie, which has just been created. And now that has been assigned to that sub account. They get a link. When they pay it, it'll ungate the website we've just built for them. Next, I just want to show you some other features around integration and how easy this can be done using the AI. If I swap over back into our Gym Junkie account, and then I go to the workspace assistant, I'm just going to start a new chat. I can ask it to help set up a webhook that's going to fire every time a new deal lands. So let's say the gym has plans for a 30-day challenge, for instance. We could have a webhook fire every time someone joins that 30-day challenge. The first thing I'm going to do is actually get an endpoint. So In N8N, I've just added the first node, which is webhook. Now, if I double click on this webhook, I can get a test endpoint. So if I click on this and get the URL, now I'm just going to ask it to create the trigger for this endpoint every time a deal is created. And you can see that it says here that URL is a N8N test URL because it can see the test in the URL. Which do you want, production or test? Well, for now, I just want a test. So I'm just going to ask it to set up as a test and fire it. But to do that, I just need to get the web endpoint listening. Over in N8N, if I just execute the workflow, so if I just say set up the test and fire it, it'll probably ask me another question here. All right, it's created the live webhook and I'll confirm it. And over in N8N, we should see that data come through and it's confirmed that it's actually already worked. And there it is. If I open it up, there is a test set of data for a new deal. Now, all I need to do to make this production is just say convert it into a production endpoint and set it live and we're good to go. That's it. So in N8N, if I run it again, we'll see another one come through. We'll just confirm it. And there you go. It just came through right there. Now, you might be thinking, well, an endpoint like this is no use to me. But if I go back to the editor, all we need to do now is just ask the AI. So if we wanted this to go to Telegram or to anywhere else, we can just ask the N8N AI to build the rest of this flow. Super easy. All right, just before we take a look at the website, I just want to create the community and the first lesson for our Gym Junkie sub account and our new client. So I'm just going to create a new chat and then I will ask it to set this up. Can you create the new community for Gym Junkie and the first lesson? We've got to give it a name. Joining policy is the first lesson title and the lesson content. All right, call it Gym Junkie. It'll be free to join with instant approval and I want the first lesson created and it's going to be a 30-minute home workout. It's asking if I have a video I can add in there so I can create the video for the lesson. So I'll just give it the URL. All right, so that's done. So it's been a few minutes since we kicked off our website. We can take a look at that as well now. So if we go over to website, this is it here. This is live on the web right now. It publishes automatically and it's free hosting, so we can visit it. This is the site. It's a fully complete website. All the menus are working. We can head down to membership stories and we can also go down and have a look. There is a form. The form can be updated to flow right through to LeadStack. So we've got this speed to lead functionality and we can chat with any visitors on the site through adding the web chat. We can have SMS, we can have WhatsApp. So everything you would expect from a system like this with equivalent or better features than the leading products out there. Now, that's a very quick overview of the Agentic capabilities and it does a lot more than that. But we also did create the community so we can take a look at that as well. So if we go over to community, we click on this community, you can see all the basics of it is set up. We can have a look at the classroom. So getting started, this was our first one here, the 30-minute home workout, and that's the video linked in. So just by asking the AI to create a community and the first lesson, it was able to do that straight away. Now, if you'd like to get started with LeadStack and not pay a monthly subscription anymore, head to leadstack.dev. I'm not going to quote the price here because there is a deal on, so you may get it much cheaper than the listed price. All the details are on the website, including a section around security. For all the other typical questions, head to the FAQ. All the ones that get asked frequently are all answered here.